Replace the battery in an iPhone 11 with a battery pulled straight from another iPhone 11. Same factory, same part number, same everything, and the phone throws up a warning anyway. Unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery, it says. Not a knockoff. Not a sketchy repair shop special. A real Apple battery born inside a real Apple phone, rejected by the phone it now sits inside. The reason is a tiny authentication chip Apple started welding into batteries, screens, and Face ID modules around 2018. Each part carries a serial number that gets married to your specific phone's logic board at the factory. Swap that part later, even for an identical genuine one, and the marriage is broken, so the phone treats it as a stranger. Apple calls this parts pairing, and it quietly turns a 5-minute battery swap into a diagnosis nobody can pass without Apple's own tools. Independent repair shops felt it first. iFixit's Kyle Wiens has shown iPhone 12 and 13 units losing True Tone, Face ID, and the battery health percentage entirely after a routine screen or battery job, even when the shop used parts stripped from another working iPhone. If a topic like this makes your blood boil a little, that's the whole point of this channel, so subscribe now because tomorrow's secret is about a car that's been quietly grading your driving for years. By the iPhone 15 and 16, the pairing problem got worse. Apple introduced a system called System Configuration, which requires the repair shop to connect to Apple's servers over the internet mid-repair just to activate a legitimately swapped part. No signal, no server response, no working Face ID or full battery reporting, even if every single component is 100% genuine Apple hardware. Comment below if you've ever had a repair shop tell you a part swap won't fully work on your iPhone, because that sentence has a name now. Here's the pattern interrupt. In 2023 and 2024, states including California and New York passed right-to-repair laws specifically to stop this. Apple supported the bills publicly, then kept parts pairing legal inside them, because the laws target access to tools and manuals, not whether software recognizes a swapped chip. Samsung and Google have since added similar serial locks to their own flagship batteries and screens, which means the fix nobody asked for is quietly becoming the industry standard. So that iPhone 11 rejecting its own sibling's battery wasn't a glitch. It was the first public glimpse of a system that now decides, silently and remotely, whether the phone in your hand is allowed to trust its own parts. Hit the bell so this lands in your feed tomorrow.